Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and welcome to Cheryl and Food Each Other. Today I am going outside to grab some tomatoes and beans and cabbage. We're going to harvest some stuff and cook some stuff out of what I have harvested. I just saw a squirrel running away with something and I don't like it. So let's go take advantage of the fruit what is outside and harvest it while there's still left. So let's go outside. One more. See, it's not really that ready yet, but I have to harvest it. It will become more red after a few days. Look at all my cherry tomatoes. I have a bunch. Let's get some of my long beans. Oh, my basket is getting full. This red cabbage is already ready to be harvested. It's really hard. This matures 90 days, so it's more than 90 days I believe, and it's time to harvest. Let's take it out. Wow, it's just snapped right off. It's very heavy. There we go. I just have a perfect recipe for this thing. That is one heavy cabbage. It's probably around half a pound or more. It's really heavy and dense. So these are the tomatoes I just got from my garden today, and I will show the ones that I got like 2 to 3 days ago, and look how the difference, right? These are the tomatoes from 3 days ago, and this is the tomato from today. So in 3 days, this tomato will turn to be like this. So every day I'm harvesting slowly those tomatoes and collecting so much right now. It's really good harvest for tomatoes. These are my zucchinis. I got this 2 days ago, and look at how this is what the squirrel is doing. They tried to have a bite and then leave it like that. So that's why I have to pick this up before the squirrel is gonna come back and totally eat the whole thing. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and please check out my recipe about the red cabbage, and hope you enjoy it too, and we'll see you again on my next video. Take care.